Mustaches, manly hair sprouting from your chiseled face. Looks great, but when it gets out of control, well, there's a solution. The Panasonic ER-GB40 Beard and Hair Trimmer lets you shape and trim your facial hair, dry or wet, use shaving cream or gel, even take it in the shower for a comfortable trim. Yes, in the shower. Precision gaskets and a fully waterproofed case keep moisture out, which makes cleaning simple. Just hold the shaver under the tap. These tiny channels direct water up under the blades to flush out hair. You want an even trim? A built-in adjustable guide lets you crank in 19 settings for a precise length from 1 to 10 millimeters. Meaning it cuts mainly stubble or a full flowing beard. Take the guide off entirely for detail work. Done? Drop the trimmer in this charging station, which, by the way, can also charge the Panasonic ER-GK40S adjustable body shaver. Charging gives you up to 50 minutes of shaving time. And the streamlined body? I mean this one, also designed in Milan, Italy. The Panasonic GB40 Beard and Hair Trimmer. It's sharp.
The new Braun all-in-one trimmer, MGK 3020, for ultimate precision and 100% control from head to toe. The device gives you 40 minutes of cordless trimming so that you never run out of power. The set provides 4 combs for 13 length settings. With the 3 to 11 millimeter comb, you can trim your beard from short to medium length. For a stubble look, 1 to 2 millimeters, use the 2 fixed combs. For longer beards, you can use the long comb ranging from 13 to 21 millimeters, and the 2 combs can also be used for hair clipping. Use the blade for accurate lines and edges. Reach for the ear and nose precision trimmer to remove unwanted hair in sensitive areas. The blade is washable under running water, making cleaning very easy. The Braun MGK 3020 for ultimate precision and 100% control from head to toe. Braun, designed for what matters.
Guaranteed to trim better with Wahl's cordless rechargeable beard trimmer. Never worry about dull blades with this precision trimmer. Its self-sharpening solid steel blades produce unbeatable results. It also comes coated in a brushed nickel finish for longer lasting durability. Get the beard that fits your style with a guide for every look. Use the Stubble guide for a 2-day growth look, the medium guide for a short and clean look, the full guide for a thick and even beard, or the 6-position guide to achieve lengths from 1/16 to a ½ inch thick. To preserve the battery life of this trimmer during travel, it comes equipped with a travel lock switch. This added feature helps prevent the trimmer switch from turning on in a travel bag. To turn the trimmer on, press the red travel lock and push the switch up. To turn the trimmer off, press the travel lock and push the switch down. You can also go corded or cordless with this unit. Plug the trimmer in to charge and unplug when ready to use for cordless convenience, or keep it plugged in during use for a constant stream of power. This precision trimmer has everything you need to better trim your beard. Pick up your cordless rechargeable beard trimmer today. Wahl, the brand used by professionals since 1919.
The Crafter is Remington's Beard Boss style and detail kit. It gives you total control of your style so you can look your best every day. Here are some tips that'll help you get the most out of this premium beard trimmer. Keep the trimmer plugged in for 4 hours until it's fully charged before the first use. Always wait to recharge until the battery is completely drained. This will help the battery maintain its full capacity and runtime, which is an impressive 180 minutes with each full charge. That's 3 full hours of runtime, giving you months of powerful trimming and detailing. And there's even a quick charge function that gives you enough juice to finish styling after just 5 minutes of charging. The trimmer has an extended neck to make it easy to trim around your jawline and the edges of your facial hair. If you've got a thick beard, you'll love turbo mode. When the trimmer is on, just hit the power button again and the blades get a burst of energy to take care of thick growth in no time. The kit comes with an adjustable, length-altering comb that has options for 9 different lengths. Find the one that fits your style and lock it in. You also get 6 fixed-length combs if that's more your style. The Crafter is waterproof, so you can trim in the shower or cut hair that's wet. It also makes cleanup incredibly easy. When it's time to clean up the details, attach the mini foil shaver or the nose and ear hair trimmer to finish off the job. Whether you have a full beard, mustache, goatee, or you're going for a style that's all your own, the Beard Boss Style and Detail Kit can keep it looking great. Remington, how the world gets ready.